What is that?
This is what I wanted from Home Depot.
Oh, the disco ball.
Oh, the cool ball for you.
I wanted it. I wanted it.
We're gonna have a disco party.
We can have a disco party.
Oh, how cool.
Yeah.
Hey,
Cool.
Danny, you want to open another gift? Do you want to open another gift? I think
So cool.
Yeah, Howard.
Let's see. Here you go, Danny. This is from Ashley and Nikki and Shane.
What is it?
Let's rip it open and find out what it is.
Oh, she's on it
Here.
and she's out.
Okay, we start it up. Here, ready. Here you go, rip. Looks like a book.
I think I know what it is.
You do?
A puppy book. I'll help you. Whoa! I love it.
It's Thomas.
Wow.
You
That's a
want
big
it.
Thomas book. Mountain Mystery.
Thank you, Sarah. Thank you, Santa. Thank you, Santa.
Wow, that's so
Now can I
awesome.
open my next gift?
Okay. That's so great.
Yes. See, the elf